Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 Renault Arkana, and trust me, there's a lot to talk about. Renault has been making bold moves in the crossover coupe segment, and this latest update shows they're not slowing down. Whether you're a Renault fan or just curious about what this new model brings to the table, you're in for a treat. Let's start with the first thing anyone notices: the exterior. The 2026 Arkana has received a sleek and modern refresh that really turns heads. The front end now features a sharper grille design, slimmer LED matrix headlights, and a more aggressive bumper. Renault has clearly aimed to give the Arkana a more upscale and sportier identity, and it shows. The coupe-like silhouette is still intact, with that signature sloping roofline blending seamlessly into the rear. Around back, you get a new taillight signature that stretches across the width of the car, and a slightly reworked rear bumper gives the whole stance a lower, wider look. Depending on the trim level, you can get 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels, and there are new color options for 2026, including a striking deep blue and a rich copper tone that really pops in the sunlight. Moving inside, Renault has made some meaningful updates to improve both design and quality. The cabin now feels more premium than ever. Soft-touch materials are used generously across the dashboard and door panels, while higher-spec trims feature leather upholstery and ambient lighting that gives a cozy, high-end vibe. The centerpiece of the interior is the updated infotainment system, now running the latest OpenR Link software on a larger, vertically oriented touchscreen. It's intuitive, snappy, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Behind the wheel, there's a digital driver's display that's customizable and easy to read. Renault's also included more storage solutions this time around, including a redesigned center console with cup holders, wireless charging pad, and deeper door bins. In terms of space, the Arkana is surprisingly roomy for a coupe-style SUV. Front seat passengers have plenty of head and legroom, and even in the back, adults can sit comfortably thanks to smart packaging. The sloping roof doesn't eat into headroom as much as you'd expect. The boot offers around 513 liters of cargo space, still one of the best in its class, and the split folding rear seats add extra flexibility. Now let's talk performance. Renault offers the 2026 Arkana with a choice of powertrains. In most markets, you'll find a 1.6-liter E-Tech full hybrid system, which pairs a petrol engine with 2 electric motors and a small battery pack. It delivers a combined output of around 145 horsepower and does 0 to 100 km/h in about 10.8 seconds. That may not sound thrilling, but it's tuned more for efficiency and comfort than outright speed. The hybrid system is smooth, transitions seamlessly between petrol and electric power, and gets impressive fuel economy, around 4.8 liters per 100 kilometers, depending on your driving style. There's also a mild hybrid 1.3-liter turbo option in some regions, which offers more punch but slightly less efficiency. On the road, the Arkana feels well balanced. It's not a sporty SUV by any means, but it handles confidently, thanks to precise steering and a suspension setup that finds a nice middle ground between comfort and control. Whether you're in the city or cruising on the highway, it's quiet, composed, and easy to live with. When it comes to pricing, Renault has kept things competitive. In Europe, the base model starts around $29,000, with higher trims like the RS line or E-Tech engineered editions going up to $36,000 or so. For what you get in terms of design, tech, and hybrid efficiency, it's good value, especially when you compare it to German rivals in the same space. So there you have it: an elegant exterior, a much improved interior, a smooth hybrid drive, and pricing that makes sense. The 2026 Renault Arkana proves that style and practicality can coexist, and it's definitely worth a look if you're shopping for a crossover that stands out from the crowd. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've got questions or want to see a comparison video. Catch you in the next one.